Hello everyone. So here is this Arduino ready for a web server with my functions in order to feed me back about how my render is going. This render, this is supposed to play something like that, and this is going to render my files in this folder, renders. So it's rendering them. It has rendered them all, but I'm going to just delete them. So this empty folder. Now I'm going to my Arduino and I'm enabling the serial monitor in order to see that he's attempting to connect to my Wi-Fi, my house Wi-Fi. Then he's making a web server over there. And when this is going to be ready, like quite soon, I will be able to connect to this page. And he tells me this: current frame 0 status paused. So now is the time to launch my render. So from here in Python I have a script called blender check pi and then other executors in order to make some shell commands from this Arduino, and then I'm going to launch this. Which doesn't work because, of course, I forgot that the Arduino Serial monitor should be closed. So I'm closing it again, and I'm launching this again, like this. Okay, and now we can see it's building my Blender. And rendering frame 1, rendering frame 2, rendering frame, stuff like this, okay? So now is going to be the real fun. I'm going out. Okay. Rendering. I click on this, so let me click on cancel render or resume render. So 66, 68 it's rendering right now. Cancel render. Now it's not moving. It says render off, render off. I'm gonna render on, render on, and now 69, 71, 73, 75. Oh, completed. Okay. And look at our renders. And all our renders are here. Until the frame 250. frame end 250. These are my images.